Hi, don't be surprised. I'm not a real video. I'm just a picture. But with AI, I can talk, teach, and even move. And today I'm going to show you how to make your own images come alive just like this.
I am the Techmom. If you have been looking for a free AI tools to use for your Faceless channel, I have come with one today.
I know you find it interesting. Welcome back to my channel, my money makers. Before you scroll, this isn't just a real person talking. No, the entire video was created with one image. And guess what? In less than 60 seconds, you can do this perfectly and even do better than me. Yeah. Creators, business owners, teachers, even shy people are using this trick to create their faceless AI videos. Guess what? They are not limited to only YouTube. They post it on TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, and other platforms without showing their real face. And yes, you guys, like I said, this is going to be a masterclass. Here is how you can make your own photo to talk. I mean, any type of photo. And we are beginning from how to get your script, because the last time I posted, many people doesn't know how to prompt AI. They don't know how to prompt ChatGPT to give them the type of prompts that they need, to give them the actual prompt that can give them the exact image that they need. So I'm going to teach you this thing. It is just like I'm teaching this from scratch. I'm teaching to a baby of 2 years, you guys. So there is no reason why you will not create this kind of video. Very easy. And every tool we are using here is free. I mean, totally free. Now, this is what I did. I'm going to ask ChatGPT. I've already started it, but I'm going to start afresh. I will record a voice note. I want to come up with an idea. I am an African who values African culture. So I want you to give me a professional video in this background that can captivate and capture attention following the examples that I gave you, the images and everything. Please, can you give me 3 prompts for different persons, male and female, and a child, talking with hand gestures and everything? Give me a detailed prompt. Now, this is what you don't know about ChatGPT. ChatGPT makes, even when you talk to ChatGPT in a rough manner, I mean, you did not package anything, you don't know anything, you just go straight and tell ChatGPT, this is what I need. ChatGPT understands exactly what you need and is going to give you that. Now, it's brought out different things. The first one is 3D pizza style. Another way you can do this is you can go ahead, screenshot images of the people that you saw their own, or what you like to recreate with AI. Just screenshot it. You know how to screenshot? Yeah, screenshot it and bring it like this. This is my own image. If you click on this plus icon here, you click on photos, you import it like this. And you tell ChatGPT something like this. Believe me, ChatGPT is going to give you the exact thing that you need. So don't be afraid when you see a post or you see an image online and you feel like, oh, please, can you give me prompts? I am begging for prompts. Don't beg for prompts. I am teaching you prompt engineering now. So drop my thank you in the comment section. Yeah. So just hit generate. ChatGPT will give you exactly the image prompt that you need. Yeah. You can now go ahead and generate it. So this is what ChatGPT gave us. Very simple, very clean. You guys can see it. Okay, I'm going to generate it with ChatGPT. If you are on a free plan on ChatGPT, you can only generate maximum of 3 images per day. Yeah, per day is cool. Next day you continue. But I'm on a paid plan, so I can generate as many as I want. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, then paste it here, tell ChatGPT to generate it. You can see that ChatGPT gave us the actual prompt. Please don't rush. This thing might take long, but you are going to learn a lot. It will help you in your faceless content creation. Yes. So, you see this 16:9, ChatGPT knows what we want and gave us that 16:9. That's YouTube video frame. So once you copy it and paste it in the prompt section, just type generate the image and hit generate. You guys, it won't take much time. ChatGPT will do that for you. And trust me, it is not only ChatGPT that you can use. You can also use what we call Grok. You guys, Grok and Meta AI is doing amazingly well these days. Even Google Labs as well. So we have so many tools that you can use for free. If you want, I can list them in the comment section for you. I'm here for you guys. I'm super happy. You guys, this is very beautiful. Come and see our image. Very, very beautiful. And ChatGPT, the first one, it came in pizza style. That's 3D pizza style. So I'm going to download it. Long press and download it. Listen, I said you can use your laptop and you can use your phone. So I'm going to copy the second one. Just this way. Right, generate this image. Hit generate. Now we are done generating our images and this is pretty cool. You guys, go ahead and save your images. I've taught you how you can come up with a script and how you can even generate exactly what you see online. Yeah, I think you guys understood that. So I'm going to save these things and then we move into the next stage where the magic happens. Now head over to Digen AI. This is pretty cool, you guys. In this Digen AI, you will see Sora 2, you will see Nano Banana, you will see Flux. You will see so many AI tools that are doing magic here. And when you go further, you will see what people have done so far with this Digen AI. Of course, you don't need to move from here to Sora, from Sora 2 to maybe to VO3, from VO3 to Clink AI. We have many of them. We can get everything that we need here. So of course, you need to sign in with your email. Just sign in with your email. Continue. You guys, they will give you what we call 300 credits. You can see it here. Just tap on periods. Now, before I continue, let me give you this cheat code. If you finish your credit, you can either decide to switch to another email, or if you have another phone, you can use that different phone as well. Make use of different email, okay? As soon as you use new email, you get new credit, okay? Another good part of this Digen AI is that they give credit like every single day. So if you sign in, just be assured that every day you'll be getting credit. Yes, whether you use the one that you have there or not. So they're very generous with their credit, you guys. Yeah, is that not amazing? It is. Now, the next thing you have to do is change your aspect ratio. You can either choose 9:16 or you use 1:1 or you use 16:9. So because of this Digen watermark, if you are using the free version of it, I want to make use of 1:1. Okay. First of all, you have to import your image first. Just click here to import your image. Click here. So I'm going to go with this. And again, when you are generating your image, I forgot to say something. Please generate an image that is facing the camera so that when you are doing the lip syncing, it will not look somehow. It will cooperate very well. Now, the next thing is for us to add whatever you want the image to say. That's the prompt. This thing is very easy. So I'm going to click on prompt. You come to this place and type whatever you want it to say. If you don't know what to write, you can go and tell ChatGPT the way I told you how to prompt ChatGPT. Just tell ChatGPT roughly what should this image say, okay? So we're going to do that. So because I am teaching people how to create a talking avatar or a talking image of themselves, please, I want you to give me a script of what this particular image will say. Just a perfect script. I can serve as an introduction to this video. Yeah, and will match the video perfectly. So I have sent it now and ChatGPT is working on it right now. It's going to give me the appropriate script that this particular image is going to say. Yeah. So look at it. Hi, don't be surprised. I am not a real video. I am just a picture. But with AI, I can talk, teach, and even move. And today I am going to show you how to make your own images come alive just like this. This is perfect. Now look at another one. I'm going to take this one. and then paste it in that prompt section here. Paste it like this. Now, as soon as you are done, just mark good. That's perfect. Okay, the next thing is to click on this store. You guys, this is the idea, and have a lot of tools, a lot of features that you can make use of. Okay, this is where you do your lip sync. Okay, you're going to click on try now. And this is perfect. You're going to record or you upload your audio. It's either you record or you upload your audio, alright? So I went ahead to paste my script. What I want it to say, okay, now choose Gen 3. Make sure you choose Gen 3 here. You choose a voice, or maybe you can use your own voice, okay? You might not necessarily use it, but I'm going to just choose this and record what I want it to say. I'm going to do the recording. So let's go. And when you are done recording your own voice or uploading your voice, you can check it here. If you click here, you check how it sounds.
Don't be surprised.
And if there's any adjustments, you can do that as well.
But with AI, don't be surprised. I'm not a real video. I'm just a picture.
When you are done, just hit on generate video. Listen, it can take some minutes before it generates. And look at it here. You guys, our video is here. Somebody shout. So I'm going to click on
Just like this.
play.
But with AI, I can talk. Don't be surprised. And even I'm not a real video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own video. With AI, I can just like this. Teach and even move. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your.
And this is perfectly beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and download it from here. And this is how you keep generating other images, turning them to video. If you are working on African folktales, maybe at some point you want your image to talk, this is the best app to use. Okay? Tell me, are you going to try this out? Are you going to open a TikTok account that you can use an AI avatar to influence your product or other people's products as an affiliate marketer? You guys, different ways to make money here online is too much. So tell me in the comment section. I remain your favorite tech mom, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you next time in my next video.